Alright, welcome to the Rangutul YouTube channel. In today's video, as you can see on the screen, Rangutul is posting an article on the Twitter platform. So now with a platform like Twitter, if you own a lot of different Twitter accounts and you want to be able to post to these accounts completely automatically and you want to post in large quantities instead of having to do it manually, how would you do that? That's it. You can absolutely do that with the MKT X software. That's right. This is the main interface of the software. When you access it, you'll see an interface like this. If you want to post automatically, look at the left corner of the screen. There will be a feature called posting function. When you click here, make sure to select personal post. That's it. It will bring up an interface where you can operate and post to many of your Twitter accounts. First, you'll need to select your accounts. Here, Jungle Tool will choose 5 different accounts. After you've made your selections, there will be a place for you to enter your content. You should select available content. Next, we'll have a section to choose the content. You just need to add the content you want to post into this software. There, Jungle Tool will make a selection. Then you'll check the box. Let it post randomly, so it will post a batch of content together. Rest assured, these pieces of content will be posted in groups, but it will be random. So you won't have to worry about spam issues. In a moment, Jangkotrong will show you how its mechanism works. Here, it asks how many posts each account should make. If you only want to post one, just set it to 1. That way, each account will post one article on its Twitter profile. Then, do you want the post to be duplicated across accounts or not? Do you want to add hashtags or not? For example, if you want to add hashtags, you can add them here. For instance, the content that Jangko2 is writing is related to finance. So, internationally, Google represents it as financial, go, and so on. These are the kinds of details like this. Then add another viral one. That's how you enter them in. After you finish, you adjust the number of threads to 5. Why is it 5? Because if you want to run 5 accounts at once, you set it to 5. Then it will run all 5 accounts. Then you press the start button. At this point, the software will start working to post on your Twitter accounts. You can monitor the software as it operates. Just watch and see. It will automatically enter the content into the posting section. See? It will input this hashtag. These are all hashtags that we just added to the software. Then it will add the content you prepared earlier, including icons or anything else. It will automatically input everything for you, and it works exactly like a real person. So you won't have to worry about Twitter detecting your automated behavior and locking your account. Everything happens automatically. After that, it will post the images. Here, Django 2 is choosing 2 images. This one has already been posted, as you can see. You can zoom in to take a look. Just click on the profile section. There, this is the new post. See, it was just posted. Similarly, you can zoom in on this account and check the profile section. That's also a very new gamer. If you pay attention to the icon here, it's a laughing emoji. We can zoom in on this to see that it turns into a different emoji, see? So the way it works is in the content management section, when I add content here, I've already included an emoji so that it randomizes it. So it won't be 100% identical to the original content, which helps it bypass the flagging mechanism, as well as Twitter's scanning system. So in today's video, you'll see the feature where we can automatically post using the account management software, okay? And you can contact Jungle Tool via Telegram or WhatsApp on the screen to try out this software for 24 hours. If you like it, then you'll need to pay, but Jungle Tool will let you try it out first. Rest assured, there are step-by-step instructions from A to Z, so you can see that we've already made a series of tutorial videos for you. Just click here and you'll see all the features with full guidance from start to finish, so you can be completely confident that you'll have the best experience with Jungle Tool service. See you again in the next videos on the Jungle Tool YouTube channel.